Now what?
Now, I need to put my dillies back in.
All right. Did you want to, you going to need to spread them out a little bit?
No, I think they're good on the bottom.
Oh, good.
Incoming. Did you already get the inside shot?
Yes, I did. Did you get all 9 in?
I did.
Wow, looks like you got room for that 10th one if you want to try it.
The 10th in?
If you think you can.
Nose is running.
Yeah. Isn't that the way it goes?
There.
Now, pollen patty?
Pollen patty.
It's on top of that feeder. Yeah, I guess that would have been a better way to do that, huh?
Well, I don't know. There we go. There you go, bees.
There you go, Dena.
Oh, wax got on my car from the dillies. Yuck.
Got on whose car?
On your car.
Oh.
On the honey wagon.
On the honey wagon.
Oh, is that the honey wagon?
Yes, this is
Yep.
the honey wagon now.
Officially.
It's officially the honey wagon.
What you got there?
Well, I got my hive top feeder.
Where's your tulip?
It's around here somewhere on the ground.
I think it's by the box.
There's still a bunch in yours yet, Mark. I haven't gotten out.
Yeah, it'll take them a little while, but they'll eventually do it.
Oh, this one, he's loving my hand. Hey, move it. Move it, sisters. Okay.
Good job.
Supposed to come down on this side?
Probably.
Yeah.
It's amazing they don't bite your hands and stuff.
Sting?
Very trusting. To a point. Yeah.
Oh, they would sting if
You don't hurt them. Yeah.
if you do hurt them.
Just go away.
What you got there?
Well, I got my sugar water with my Honeybee Healthy. And a friend.
And a friend.
Hey girls, move out.
Very good job.
Okay.
Got any in there? Oh, look at them drinking.
Look at them drowning. Look at them swimming.
Well,
They're swimming.
it's right there on the front.
Oh, I'm not going to put that on.
Yeah, we'll just put the telescoping cover on.
Okay.
Is it down pretty good? Push down on it. There we go. Good job. How was that?